Busy things. Sometimes people might think it's just a one-on-one, they're looking at a screen, one student's looking at a screen quite passively. How does it link with things like collaboration? How do we work in a class with other members together? How does that work?
I mean, the beauty of Busy Things is the way you use it is completely up to you. It's very diverse. It's often used as a kind of engagement activity at the front of the class on an interactive whiteboard, and therefore requires whole class input. Depending on the availability of devices, you may have kind of limited tablets or iPads in the classroom, requires children to share. And Busy Things activities are designed to be able to use either independently or as part of a whole class, a group, a pair. There's various different activity types that mean there can be multiple children inputting at once. So it definitely creates a lot of opportunity for collaboration, but at the same time, if you prefer to use it for independent work, it can be used for that as well.
So Busy Things is a totally flexible platform, however you need to use it. One child, a whole class, it works for everybody.
Yes, exactly. Depending on what it is that you want to get out of it, you can use it however you would like to.